All right, folks, 15 minutes flashing time has passed, and I'm just gonna take off the film right now. And okay, I guess it's a little too early for that. Maybe a little too early. All right, okay, so I'll start it from here. Okay, maybe I'm maybe I'm supposed to wait a little longer, just a tad little longer. All right, so what I actually do after a caulking session to keep my silicone caulk from drying up is I do this, take this off. All right, and then I take the gloves off that I just used. And then you want to cut off a finger. Ouch! And actually, doesn't really hurt that much because I believe you still got all the fingers, okay? Don't worry that much because you still got all the fingers, okay? Oh, right. This is one of my recent projects where I made over a kitchen countertop and I did a pretty good job of caulking this, but as you can see, if I bring you closer, it started to part ways. As you can see right there, there's a veneer at the very end of this OSB board right here, but it's starting to peel off, and I did a silicone caulking job here with a white silicone caulk, but for some reason it started to peel off and I just have to fix it. And so what people would normally do in this case is they go ahead, right, and attack it with a knife or like a caulking removal tool like this one here, right? And they just go ahead and they try to scrub it off. Oh, here's a knife here, and it's just laborious, in my opinion, if that's a word. It works, but you know, it's gonna take a longer time, and that's why. You see, I'm not a builder by any stretch of your imagination, but if you stay tuned to the end of this video, you'll see that this method that I'm about to show you right now works miles better than any other conventional method that you're used to. And it involves this tool right here, all right? The heat gun. So let me just turn it down to like 250 and we should be good to go, all right? So, you want to heat it up slowly, and they have this nozzle to make life easy for you, right? So, you heat it up, and as you're doing this, you want to be reasonable, right? Just make sure you spread that heat evenly, so you don't remain in the same spot for a long time, so you don't ruin anything, right? So after going over it for a couple of minutes and you feel it's about time to start scrubbing away, look at how easy it is right now. It's like butter. So, wow. Ooh. That's hotter than the son of a gun. And take the old caulk off. The removal is a whole lot easier than the conventional style that you're used to. Okay, look at that. Zero labor. Do the other side as well. One thing I learned about DIY so far is having the right tool for the right job makes a whole lot of difference, okay? Just heat it up, and as you can tell, I've not been consistent with my heating, okay? Because it's harder filming and doing this at the same time. I wish I wasn't filming it, but how will you guys enjoy what I'm doing? Well, how am I gonna be able to tell this story if I don't film it, you know? Just keep the heat consistent and you will get a much better result than I'm doing right now. Because you can tell right here, I wasn't consistent with my heating. Do as I say, never as I do.
So it just goes in easy like nobody's business. Alright, that place still needs some heating. Alright, that's softer. Oh, softer.
So it's less nightmarish taking the caulk off. Employ this method and there'll be less cursing. Okay, so I've used the battery up because I wasn't consistent with my eating because filming and getting the job done at the same time. But I believe you're gonna go and do a much better job than I did. So I'm only level 1 bar. I hope you can finish it. And if it doesn't, that's why you keep extra batteries.
See how easy that is? Ooh, that's hot.
All right, and we are done.
And look at that. I promise you, if you were to do this without easy applications, easily without taking you a whole day's work, versus, goddamn it, this only took me a couple of minutes, including, filming. I would have worked a whole lot faster if I wasn't filming, okay? Clean it up.
And our wall is ready for new caulk application. Right tool, folks. Right tool. It could be the difference between a nightmarish job and a job you don't mind seeing yourself doing sometimes in the near future. So now vacuum and clean the surface off with isopropyl alcohol to promote adhesion. And look at that. Check the progress we're making, guys. Tell me I didn't call a carpenter while the camera wasn't rolling. Now check this method out. You're gonna have to have like a painter's tape because I have places I don't want the silicone caulk getting onto. So I'm just gonna mask it off like you do
your car paint job or even painting the walls in your house. Oh, that right there. Oh, that's excellent. And I should ask my creator, maybe I was a plumber in my former life. And if you think you're keeping it straight enough, just don't be shy to take it off and reapply.
Okay.
All right. Right there.
And these two bad boys don't need any introduction, do they? Especially these, except it's transparent as opposed to the white one that I took off. So just got it. Install it and go to town. And this is gonna be way different from the caulking job you're used to, right? Because as you can tell, it's a large gaping hole that we're trying to fill here. So it's not gonna be the same. Well, I couldn't get it countertop closer enough. And this going right as planned. All right. And as you can see, as we're getting closer to the end, it gets a little tighter, making it a whole lot easier to apply. And that is it, at least for now. And now you want to grab your caulking tool tip of choice. Okay, great job, great job. Even though we're in a very tight spot right here. All right, get your gloves, put a dab of soap in your hands, and then go over the spot. Filming is the hardest part of making DIY videos. not the actual job itself. All right, so I believe nothing can beat the fingers, okay? What a wonder fingers can do. All right. Believe we did a great job. A whole lot better. So just leave that now to cure for the next 15 minutes and we're practically done. See, so I'm just gonna take the mask off when it's fully cured and we're practically done. I mean, anyway, I'll be back in the next 15 minutes.
All right, so what I actually do after a caulking session to keep my silicone caulk from drying up is I do this, take this off. All right, and then I take the gloves off that I just used. And then you want to cut off a finger. Ouch. And actually, does it really hurt that much? Because it's thicker on the fingers, okay? So you want to cut that off and go ahead and cut one more. You've still got 3 left.
Now what you want to do is squirt a little silicone in there. And see that soft thing there? And then you just want to, that'll make a nice sealing right there. When done properly using my method, they will never dry out. And then another thing you can do is, you see the second finger that you cut off? Take this off right here and cover it up with that little one. And now you got double sealing, double assurance. It'll never ever dry up this way, never. We'll go ahead and take it one step further and put an electric tape around it, like so. Now it's going away. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start it away. All right, folks, 15 minutes flashing time has passed and I'm just gonna take off the film right now. And okay, I guess it's a little too early for that. Maybe a little too early. All right, okay, so I'll start it from here. Okay, maybe I'm supposed to wait a little longer, just a tad little longer than I waited, but since I already did it, let me just roll it to the end. Alright, so cosmetically it's not gonna look good, but I hope it's sticking to the wall. Alright, I ruined it somehow. Poor me. But I know you're gonna do a better job because yeah, I trust you to do a better job. So I'm just removing the film right now. And what's come to worst, I'll reapply. But for now, this isn't looking that bad. See, the main goal is that I don't have excess glue on the wall. As you can see right there, we did a great job. All right, once again, give you a close-up. But nothing a little bit of clean up job won't fix. What I was supposed to do was to wait 24 hours, but I got a new project coming up, so I was in a hurry. But I believe you will do a better job, and it seems as if I have bit more than I can chew. But I'll get it fixed, and I'm sure you would as well. All right, that is my time, folks. And now compare this to what we had before. We did an amazing job. F what you heard. Look at that. From the very end to the other end, huh?